Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to select all text boxes in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to select all text boxes. Firstly, zoom out the document, click the zoom option and zoom out this document. Now we can see here some text box. Now we want to select all text box. Go to the select option, then select the all object. Now we can see here we very easily select all text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.